4.5 Global Wind Pattern Notes. And the learning objective is explain how environmental factors can result in the atmosphere circulation. And then the notes, it starts off with air properties. Warm air rises, and warm air holds more moisture than cold. The rising air expands and cools, and then cool air can't hold as much H2O vapor. After air cooling and expanding, air sinks. And here's a picture that demonstrates how it happens. And then it all starts with number 1 right here, and then it goes up to here to the cloud, and then it goes up to 3, and then it cools off in this, which is air rises and cools and expands. And then after that, it goes to 4, which is cooling, expanding, air spreads out. And then 5, which is cool, dry air sinks back down to earth, and it goes back, and it goes back to 1, and it repeats. And then the Coriolis effect, which is deflection of objects traveling through atmosphere due to spin of Earth. Air at 30 degrees moves back to H pressure of the equator. Wind between 0 to 30 moves from eastern to westward due to Earth spinning west to east. And wind between 30 to 60 moves west to east due to Earth spinning faster at 30 than 60. And then here's a picture where it goes from west to east. And then here's one of the examples from the video, which is the ball thrown this way, but then it's deflected back due to the Earth spinning. And then another note I took from the video is global wind patterns, which is air rising at the equator equal low pressure, air sinking down at 30. Never mind. Air rising at the equator equals low pressure, and air sinking down at 30 degrees equals high pressure. And then 0 to 30 wind blow eastern trade. And then another is drive ocean current clockwise in northern hemisphere, and then counterclockwise in S hemisphere, which is south hemisphere. And then 30 to 60 winds blow west to east westward. And then here's a picture from the video, which is how L pressure is here, and then it comes down, and it's mostly divided in 4 sections, which this section, it goes up and then to the North Pole, going this way, and then it goes up. And then the equator, it's mostly coming back to the middle, mostly to the left, and then it comes back down, or it goes back up. And then the FRQ, which is explain how is the sun responsible for the pattern of air circulation seen in cycle C, which is this image from the video. And then the sun is responsible since that is where it is the most sunlight, and the air rises, and then it expands. Then it comes back after cooling, and it comes back to 30 degrees, which is right here. So it goes from here, it goes up, and then it comes back, and then it enters again, and that process repeats. And that is my note for 4.5.